Now children, let's start with chapter number 4, tables in MS Word 2009. So in this chapter, we will study about tables, which is made up of rows and column. And it is utilized, what it is made up of, rows and column. It is to be utilized to organize information and document. So by using table, dull and unorganized document can be changed into well-designed and laid out project, right? So what is table? Table is a set of data. In this, we may have text also, number also, which is arranged in row and column. So the insertion of row and column forms rectangular boxes, what we call them cell. So a vertical series of cell in a table. The vertical series of cell in a table called column. The horizontal series in a table is called row. So how to create a table in MS Word 2019 document? Table can be created in different way. They are discussed here one by one. So using grid. So place the insertion point of the document where you want the table to appear. Click on Insert tab, right? Click on the table option in the table group. A table grid appear. Next, drag the mouse button to highlight the desired number of rows and column. Click the mouse button and empty table is inserted in the document. Now using the Insert Table option. So for that, click on Insert tab. Click on table option in the table group. Select the insertion table option. The insertion table dialog box appear. Then you will click OK. Now drawing a custom table. Click on the table option in the table group on the insert tab. Click on draw table option. Right? You will click on draw table option. Click and drag to draw rectangular in a document and draw horizontal lines to create rows and draw vertical lines so you can create column. Next is converting text to a table. Now I want to convert text to a table. So in Word 2019, we can convert text to a table. Like example, I had each row of information. It contains name and price and it is separated by spaces. You will select the text, click on Insert tab, click on Table option in the table group, click on Convert text to table and then you will click OK. Like this, your text will be converted to table. Now entering data in a table, we can enter text in a table the same way we enter text in a document. So to enter data in a cell, click in it and then type the text. What you will type? Text. To move to the next cell, you will press tab key. To move to the previous cell, you will press shift plus tab key. To move through the cell, you will press arrow keys. Now modifying the table. Now if you want to modify the table, different steps has been given. So place the cursor in the column to the left or right on which column is to be inserted. Then you will click on Layout tab under Table tool. Click on Insert above or Insert below option in the rows and column. Now, if you want to insert a new column, so for inserting a new column, you will place the cursor in the column to the left or the right and then click on the Layout tab under Table tool. Click on Insert left or Insert right option in the row and column. Right? A new column get inserted in the table. Now you want to delete row and column. To delete rows or column, follow steps. Place the cursor in the row or column to delete. Click on Layout tab. Click on Delete option. We will click on the Delete option. Click on Delete column or Delete row option so that you can delete row or column. Next is merging cell. Now you want to merge the cell. How you will merge it? So merging cell means to combine two or more cell in a row or column into single cell. Select the cell to be merged. Click on the Layout tab and the Table tool. Click on Merge Cell option in the Merge group. Now splitting cell. Now you want to split the cell. So click on the cell that you want to split and then you will go to Layout tab which is under Table tool. Then click on Split Cell option so that you can merge a group. Specify the number of columns and row and click on OK button. Okay? Then resizing, we want to resize the height and the width of columns, so you can resize with the help of Resize Layout tab. Now using the mouse pointer. Now you want to use the mouse pointer, so for that row height. Position the mouse pointer on the row border, drag the arrow up or down so that you can decrease or increase the height. Next is column height. Position the mouse pointer on the column border. Drag the arrow right or left so that you can increase or decrease the column height. Next is using Layout tab. First step is select row or column. Click on Layout tab under Table Group. Click on Properties. In the Table Group, you will go to Properties option and then you will click on Row tab. You have to specify the height. Whatever height you want, you can specify. Click on the Column tab and select Prefer Width. And then you will click on OK button. And there will be changes in the height and width of the row and column. Then formatting tables. Now you want to do formats in the table. So we have different table style. MS Words provide inbuilt table style. And you can quickly change it. Then first of all, you will select the table or click anywhere. Click on the table design tab using table tool. Click on more button in the table style group. Click and select the desired style. Then applying borders to the table. So select the position or table cursor in any cell of the table so that to apply the border. Click on the table design tab under table 2. Click on the arrow next to border option. In the table style, a drop down list will appear. And then you will click on border and shading option and select the desired setting style color width of the border. And then you will click on OK. Like this, you can select different styles from here. Now applying shading to the table. So now you want to apply shade to the table. So for that, select the table or select the cell. Click on the table design and the table tool. Click on arrow next to the shading option in the table style. A list of color option appear. Click and select the color of your choice. Whatever color you want to add of your choice, you can select it. Now alignment of a text in table, select the cell that contains the text you want to align. Now click on the layout tab, select the desired text alignment option from the alignment tool, right? Now we want formatting text inside the table. Now we want to format text. We can format the text inside the table in the same way as we format text in the document using various options in the font group on the home tab. Then inserting picture. Now you want to insert the picture, so you can also insert it. How? I will tell you different steps to insert a picture. So first is you will click on the cell where you want to insert the picture. Then you will click on the picture option, select this device option in the illustration group and the insert picture dialog box appear. Browse and select the picture you want to insert. Then click on insert button. Calculation in a table. We can perform calculation in a numeric data entered in a table. To perform calculation, you will follow the steps. You will click on the layout tab under table 2. Then click on the formula option, formula dialog box appear. The sum formula is already displayed. And then you will click on OK button. Right? And like this, your sum will be given over here. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.